Hi everyone, hi my dear friends and followers. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sally and come back to make another video. I am walking on the bank of the river Buriganga of the Dhaka area. Assalamu alaikum.
ওয়ালাইকুম।
বুড়িগঙ্গা রিভার কেন ব্যবসায়ীদের জন্য আদর্শ? এক সময় কিন্তু ব্যবসা প্রতিষ্ঠান যত কিছু গড়ে উঠেছে এই বুড়িগঙ্গাকে কেন্দ্র করে। এটা ব্যস্ততম নদী। There are many rivers in our country, so busy. The Buriganga River is one of them. Really, it's a busy river of the Bangladesh. এখানে বিশেষ করে বেসিকলি সুয়ারিঘাট, সদরঘাট, যাত্রাবাড়ি ঘাট, etc. etc. There are many ghat of the river. Now I am walking on the bank of the Buriganga River. This is the Suarighat area or Babu Bazar Ghat. The many, can you imagine how many people coming and going on the Buriganga River? How many boats? How many stroller? How many river? How many steamer? How many launch? Every day or every time running on the river. Really wonderful time I am passing. Thank you watching my another video.